Okay, how can we support the energy to continue growing?
Supporting the energy with money is not possible.
Okay.
We don't take donations. We don't take. I mean, we do accept investors from Africa. That's
Okay.
possible. But it's not all about money. It's about the right business partners, actually. Yeah. What I need for B Energy to really make a difference in the different countries in Africa is strong distributors,
Okay.
strong business partners who understand the problem with aid and who have the capacity to really roll this out on a larger scale in their countries. Yeah, that's what we need. And that's all we need, actually. Yeah.
Okay.
If you as an individual want to support B Energy, there is a possibility you can become a B Angel. That's people who don't donate money but time and expertise to
Mm-hmm.
support us with whatever they are good at or get good in, with their expertise in certain problems. Yeah, we have people who help us with IT things or with graphic design or with coaching or you name it. Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is for the individual a way to support us, but also to get kind of involved in the business a little bit and learn how we work and how biogas works and how this business works.
Nice. I think this is the magic of social business, no? Because we think in a different way of how to make business at the end and how to solve certain needs of the society.